Check out our newest feature release, Community Membership Questions. You can now ask potential community members questions before they join. Why it matters and how this is going to help you. Businesses can pre-screen community members by asking tailored questions. You can now easily manage incoming requests, review answers, and approve memberships in a centralized interface. Businesses can now also create diverse question types for a comprehensive understanding of potential members. One of the reasons that I really like this is actually a fairly common practice before people join your community. Let's ask them some questions. Let's make sure that they're a good fit for our communities. I love this new feature update, and I hope you will too. So first, let's go ahead and access groups. To do that, you're going to go to Membership on the left-hand navigation menu, and then once that all opens up in the upper navigation, I want you to click on Communities, and in the drop-down, select Groups. Now go ahead and log into your group. And from there, you're going to access the settings icon. This looks like a gear in the upper right-hand corner. Access the Membership Questions feature. That is going to be under Membership Questions, and then you're going to click plus add a question. Now you can select the questions and specify the type, and then go ahead and save. Turn on your membership questions and then toggle to save. Here's what the questions layout is going to look like once it's published. Now you can go ahead and access your requests within your community area by clicking on the People link. And from there, you're going to go ahead and select Requested. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.